Hello everybody, in this video we're going to be making an origami boomerang. For this video you're going to need an A4 bit of paper. You're going to need to cut it in half lengthwise. To start off the origami, we're just going to fold it in half. So remember, this is half a bit of A4 paper. I'm going to unfold it. Now we're going to fold each of these sides to the middle, not directly on the middle, about half a millimeter away. We're going to do this for both sides. Then fold it in half just so you can crease it a bit better. Then unfold it. Now we're going to fold it in half so that end and that end go together. Crease it. Now we're going to fold that side to the line to make an arrow type thing. Now we're going to do the same for this side. Crease it well. Now it's going to look like this. I'm just going to undo those to open this up. Now you are going to make sure that has a good crease. Fold that. I didn't crease this that way. So we're just going to make sure all of the corners on this square have a good crease before you do the next step. So I know that looked a bit weird. It's kind of hard to explain how to do that, but in the description I'll leave a link to Rob's World, the person who originally made this design, I think. But yeah, so next what we're going to do is we're going to fold these sides in. There's going to be a little flap type thing. We're just going to open it back up. We're going to put that underneath that like so. And then we're going to push this flap there. We're going to push that corner underneath our little thing like that. Then you're just going to crease it all back. And now you're nearly done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to these corners, and we're going to fold the sides in how we did in one of the other steps to make the arrow type thing. Like so, and then we're just going to undo one of them. We're going to push it in like that to make an inverted arrow type thing, and we're just going to close that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this into that little pocket we just made where we inverted it like so. That's what it's going to look like. Now we're going to go to this other side and do the exact same thing. we're just going to invert this one. If you don't get it first try, just keep practicing and you will get it. Because it is a bit tricky. And that is your finished boomerang. And it actually comes back to you. You just need to throw it properly, and how you do that is you always hold it on the side with this thing. You throw it like you just flick it. So that's the end of this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Comment what you want me to make in my next video. Bye.